All right, guys, it's the New York session already, and so let's see what we are gonna have. Let's so NASDAQ already took me out on my early trade. The first trade I had, NASDAQ took me out. So anyway, that's not bad. I'm going to get a second entry. I'm gonna get a second entry. I honestly didn't want to enter the first trade initially because I knew that NASDAQ could actually do this. But anyway, it is what it is. Thank God I also use a very low risk. And now though, what we are going to do, we are going to wait for what NASDAQ will do. Okay, yeah, and that's that. All right, so the market already opened, and man, the trade I entered earlier on went straight to stop loss, hit my stop, and boom. So now though, I have to be a little bit careful because I haven't taken a stop loss. It means that, you know, we need to be very careful. I mean, it's even quite funny though, because I knew that NASDAQ could actually do this, and I actually told myself that it's best to wait till New York open before I took the trade, but I still went ahead and I took the trade because I wanted to have the first entry today. You know, we need 2 trading days minimum, so that was why I entered the first trade. So now I'm already down, let's say minus $60 on the first trade itself, which is minus $75. Wow, that's quite odd, actually. Anyway, it is what it is. All right, so now though, let's just wait a little bit and see if NASDAQ can give us a new formation. I think for now we already, we might not be trading today, most likely till Monday. But if the opportunity presents itself again today, I'm gonna enter. So I'm gonna go to like this now. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ wants to sell more, and I don't know why. Actually, I don't know why NASDAQ is trying to sell more and more. NASDAQ, 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 NASDAQ. I think probably because of the probably because of the news event itself. So let's check on 1 minute what's actually happening. I think I'm gonna buy NASDAQ second entry now. So I bought the second entry of my on NASDAQ already now. I bought the second entry. So though I have to be very careful on this one, I'm going to risk only I'm going to risk very low, $50, basically a 1%, because like I said, if I should take any loss, then I'm instantly going to reduce the risk. So because it's very possible that NASDAQ wants to keep selling today, and so because of that, I'm going to only use this. So let me go. I'm going to turn on this. Okay, so you can see. So I just took the second entry on the challenge account. Now I'm gonna set the stop loss to $50. 24710. 24710. So I'm gonna set a stop loss to $50. So that's 68. 58 now. 56. 51. Okay, I think it's good right here. So I already set the stop loss now. Hopefully NASDAQ doesn't come back again to take us out from this place, right? All right, so I took the final entry. The first entry I did in the morning, it was 0.5. So now I'm taking the second 0.5 now. Hopefully we don't take a second stop loss. Let's wait and see what NASDAQ has to do today. I still believe that that level is going to hold, so that's why I re-enter for the buy. I think I entered somewhere around here. Okay, so now let's wait and see what NASDAQ is going to do. Let's wait and see what NASDAQ will do. Let's wait and see. All right, seems like we're floating in profit. NASDAQ, please give us some profit today. Please give us some profit today. Okie dokie, okie dokie. All right. All right, we're just waiting for NASDAQ now to potentially give us profits. I think NASDAQ should actually buy. You know, the sell already happened. Like, they already sold and sold and sold, so I don't expect them to keep selling. And if they actually keep selling, I don't think there's anything we can do about that. I don't think there's anything we can do about that. NASDAQ wants to keep selling. We just have to wait. All right, guys. I'm thinking something actually. I'm thinking that I should use an extra lot size on the trade so that, you know, potentially or maybe I should just, no, I don't use another. I think I should just leave it. There's no need for me to use another lot size. I think I'm just gonna, you know, chill with the lot size I already have. All right, I'm gonna wait before I increase the entry position. I'll wait for the first 15 minutes candle to close. If it closes very good, then I might increase the entry to 1 lot instead of 0.5 lots. So the only thing I need to manage now is the risk. Right now, if we should take a second stop loss today, that means we're going to be losing potentially about $120. So if I should increase, no, I'm not going to increase it. So I'm just going to leave it like this. This is going to be the only lot size I'm going to use today. However, I'm going to hold the trade for longer, right? I'm going to hold the trade for longer. So let's see, where is the potential take profit level? The potential take profit level for this trade is actually right here. It's somewhere right here, okay? That's the 25,324 level. So I'm going to set it. 25,324 level. 25,324. That is the potential TP level, and that will give us that would actually give us $239 profit if NASDAQ should reach that level today. It would give us good profits, but let's see. All right, so now let's be patient and let's be patient. Let's be patient. NASDAQ, 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 NASDAQ. Alrighty. I think the formation on 15 minutes is not the best, but at least if buyers are going to step in, I think this is the time for them to actually do it. Otherwise, we're going to chop another stop loss. If we should hit another stop loss right now, we're just going to call it a day. We'll just go and come back on Monday. We'll come back on Monday. We'll come back strong. Let's see what S&P 500 is doing. Oh, S&P 500 on the other hand is actually selling. It's selling more and more and more and more and more, and I'm wondering why. If S&P 500 is selling, it means very soon NASDAQ will also start selling more, and that is not good. That's not what we want to see. That is not what we want to see. All right. Alrighty. All right, so I think I'm gonna close the position early because I'm thinking that the market is potentially trying to sell more. So, all right, guys, I close the position manually. The reason is because I could see a selling momentum happening, and I don't want to be caught in the full loss. So, all right, that's gonna be it, guys. I took 2 stop loss today. I lost $115, and it's not the best, but anyway, I had to close on. I closed early because I did not want to be caught in the sell. You know, so it looks like NASDAQ is going to be selling more and more and more and more and more, and we potentially now need to come back on Monday when the market will have restabilized. Okay, that's a hard one. So definitely NASDAQ wants to keep selling to reach this level. Oh man, that's quite unexpected. That's quite unexpected. So potentially now NASDAQ can sell and reach the level. Okay. Okay. So. And sometimes it's even funny, like, you don't know how what they're trying to do. Sometimes, they go up, sometimes they go down and stuff like that. So it's all very, All right, guys, let's call it a day. We already took 2 stop loss today. So we're going to come back on Monday. And I think with that, we'll have a much better opportunity. All right, so let's call it a day from now. Happy and safe trading, everybody. We took a stop already, and So I'm gonna make a update later on so that I can share it with everybody. All right, happy and safe trading, everybody. Always protect your capital. Always protect your risk properly. We would see each other on Monday again. I think we've had an incredible week, but on the phase 2, we are already down about 2%, but we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back up. All right, and with that, let's trade safe, guys, and see you on Monday, and bye for now.